Loosen the 2 screws on both sides of the reinforcement bar with an Allen key. Remove the bar, then place the pedals in the inverted position. Loosen the jam nut on the back of the brake. Then spin the silver rod clockwise until completely loosened. Lift the brake cylinder upwards. Remove the locking cotter pin from the clevis pin. Remove the clevis pin from the pedal arm, then remove the cylinder. Remove the top 2 screws holding the protective cover. And loosen the locking screw. Remove the protective cover from the load cell. Use the included wrench to remove the ball head from the sensor. Replace the ball head connector with the P-HYSi connector. P-HYSi connector too low. P-HYSi connector too high. Place the ball head into the slot. Align the pin holes on both the connector and P-HYSi, then insert the pin. Tighten the jam nut on the P-HYSi sensor connector using the supplied wrench. Remove the pin from the assembly. Lift the rear part of the P-HYSi cylinder upwards. Slide the cylinder off the pedal arm, then remove the P-HYSi cylinder from the frame. Install the sensor protector. Align the P-HYSi and insert the pivot pin. Tighten the 2 locking screws to secure the pin and cylinder. Insert the clevis pin. Insert the locking pin. Install the reinforcement bar. When using P-HYSi, the oil pot must be positioned perpendicular to the ground to avoid oil leaks. Loosen and remove the preload cap. Then remove the pressure pads from the container. If the pressure pads are stuck to the cap, simply pry it off. Using the suggested combinations, create and place the new pressure pads onto the preload cap. Then insert the preload cap into the container and tighten the cap.